Hello, my wonderful traders. This is our Sunday market review on Leading Forex YouTube channel. My name is Kofi, your admin for this channel. Last week, we gave some signals. We gave some possible trades that you can take. We want to see how far those trades have gone. And after that, we will look at what opportunity is available for us in this week. So if you are ready, I am also ready. Let's go straight to the chart and look at what happened for the trades that we gave last week. Those of you who were able to take those trades, congratulations to you because you have made some profits. But let's look at what happened. Yes, so here we are for the very first trade that we gave, which was Euro NZD. Euro NZD. So if you remember, we decided to analyze from the 4-hour time frame, and then we said that looking at the break of this structure here, the market was going to go buy. And so we were looking at a buy. And so if you look at it, this is on the 1 hour, the trade actually went buy and gave us more than the 100 pips that we forecasted. If you look, it was a clean trade. There was no a reversal at all. There was no a reversal at all. From this entry here, it went straight up into profit and even went above profit. At this moment, it is beginning to come back down. But that is to say that the fact that we got this right doesn't mean that we are going to get all trades right. But it is good for you to do a better forecast. It's good for you to do a proper analysis before you choose to trade some pairs. Is that okay? So we can all see this is Euro NZD. It has turned out very, very well. It has turned out very, very well. Now, I want us to look at the other pair we gave, which was GBP NZD. So GBP NZD is also here. And as you can see, I told you last week that these pairs, they often correlate. And I realized that it is possible they will go the same direction. So if you look at what has happened on GBP NZD and you compare it to what has happened on Euro NZD, it looks very similar, right? It looks very similar. So these currencies, they correlate. Either they move in the same direction or they move in opposite direction. So the two trades we gave all went straight into profit. So Euro NZD gave us the profit, and then GBP NZD also gave us the profit. It went above. How many pips? If we were to target, how many pips would that have been? From here to the top there, it's about how many pips? 758 to 940, which is almost 200 plus, over 200 pips. That's GBP NZD went over 200 pips. What of the others? What of the others? Let's look at Euro NZD. Euro NZD, I'm sure, also went almost like that. So from this point here, 7587 to 77. That is almost 300 pips, right? 75 to 77, that's 200, yes. Also 200 pips. So you see it. We were only looking for 100 pips. And then our stop loss was 60, our take profit 100. And then we got it. So what trade are we looking for in this week? What is going to be our trade for this week? If you are ready, let's go straight and look at what currency we will be trading this week. Now, this week, I would like to talk about AUD CHF. AUD CHF. AUD CHF. This is AUD CHF. This is AUD CHF on the 1 hour. If I put it back on the 4-hour time frame, this is on the 4-hour time frame. Look at it. This is on the 4-hour time frame. You agree with me that with this 4-hour time frame, you can see that the market has been on a buy trend, and then it came down here, made a downward movement here, and finally broke that downward movement. And at the moment, the trade has gone back up to the very top. Okay, it is at the very top where it started its downward movement. If you look, this is on the 4-hour time frame, my people. So the trade came back down and broke through that angle and is going its way, or making its way all up. And it is almost at the neck where it did the reversal to the downside. But if you look at the same trade on the daily time frame, it's more interesting on the daily time frame. This is on the daily time frame. If you look at it on the daily time frame, you will see that this trade supposed to still go by. Why am I saying it's supposed to still go by? This is what I am looking at, for which I am saying it's supposed to go by. Now, I am looking at this top here. Look at this top here as a major resistance on the daily time frame. Okay, that is the angle I'm looking at it. This one that happened here was a sweep of this liquidity. This is on the daily time frame, my people. So this trade has a major resistance level here, which got respected. This zone got respected and then came back down, and the trade is almost back to that zone. So we are all looking at a possible break of this zone, which is this one here. We are looking at a break of this zone, and when this zone breaks, we are looking at the top, the next top here, as our next area of resistance or a possible break. So we are going to be targeting from this point to that top here. On the daily time frame, this is what we are going to be looking at. If I bring it to the 4-hour, on the 4-hour time frame, this is what we are looking at. Currently, the market has gotten back to this neck, and it is looking like it wants to come back down, sell. But the trend is still a buy. And so we expect to see a break. We expect to see what? A break. And so if that is the case, we would like to take a long position from here, from this very entry. And if we should take a long position from this entry, we would like to target 100 pips. And this is going to be 100 pips. And then a stop loss of, let's give it 60. A stop loss of 60 pips. This is going to be a stop loss of 60 pips. So we would like to target, if I switch it to the 1-hour time frame, this is what we are looking for. Okay? This is on the 1-hour time frame. This is what we are looking for in this week. So we are targeting a buy on AUD CHF. Are we good? AUD CHF. We are looking at a buy. So our entry point, as you can all see, our entry point is 0.59860. If I should type, it's going to be 0. Come on. Entry is going to be 0.60. 60456. This is going to be our entry. Our entry is 0.60456. And then our take profit is going to be what? Oh, come on. I wanted to do something. Our take profit is going to be, our take profit TP is going to be 0.61473. This is going to be our take profit. And then our stop loss is going to be, oh, come on. Come back. What did I do? Come back. Okay. Let's put our TP back. Oh, come on. Sorry, just a second. Let me get this done. Okay. So our TP is going to be 0.61473. Good. That's going to be our TP. And then our, oh, come on. Why is it going like that? Just don't want to waste my time. Our TP is going to be 0.61473. Good. And then our stop loss is going to be 0.59860. This is going to be our stop loss. So our entry price is 0.60456. Our TP is going to be 0.61473. And then our stop loss is going to be 0.59860. So this is going to be our trade for this week. This is going to be our trade for this week. I'm actually looking at adding one more trade. And if I will add one more trade, let's look at Euro Chef. Let me see if I can look at Euro Chef. Euro Chef, where are you? Come up, let me see. Okay, let me see, Euro Chef. Okay, nope. Let me look for GBP Chef and see. GBP Chef. Okay, GBP Chef is here. Okay, it's also on the upside. GBP Chef is also on the upside, but should we look at it? I'm just looking at we adding one more trade. Okay, I'm expecting a bit of a pullback down before an up move to the upside. Okay, let's look at AUD USD. Okay, it's already on its way to the upside. AUD USD is already on its way to the upside. Which other pair should we look at? AUD CAD, also on its way to the upside. This is on the 4-hour. AUD CAD is already on the upside. Seriously on the upside. So, which one again? AUD NZD, also on the upside already. And then I think we should stick to only the AUD CHF for now. I think we should stick to only the AUD CHF for now, because I'm not seeing a clear cut in the market at this moment. This is price action. We are not putting any indicator. We are not doing anything. We are not doing a currency strength. We are just looking at pure price action. So that is why sometimes we have to be patient for the price to do what you want, to give you a clear picture of what you are looking for before you enter the market on it. So we only have this trade. This is the only trade we have, which is AUD CHF. AUD CHF. That is the only trade we have at this moment. So let's all try, when the market opens, try and then put it on your demo account, okay? And see how it will turn out or how it will go. If you are looking for a broker to open a live account, I have my own recommendations, my own broker recommendations at the description of this video. When you go to the description of this video, you will see my broker recommendation. I have 6 different brokers that I am recommending, or I am an IB holder, and because of that, I'm recommending them to you. If you're in the UK, you can use any of them. If you are in Africa, you can use any of them. If you're in the Caribbean, if you're in Canada and any other part of the world, apart from the United States. If you are in the US, you can't use any of them. But outside the United States, any other country, you can use my recommended brokers. And then that is how you can get a live account. If you want to create a live account, you must create a live account through a broker. So I have my own recommendations for you at the description of all my videos. When you go to the description of any video of mine, you will see broker 1, broker 2, broker 3, up to broker 6. You can choose anyone that you want. All right. And then if you personally want to contact me and ask me a few questions about trading, or also about this account and other stuff, you can get in touch with me. All right. My number is +233 246 136609. +233 246 136609. Every Sunday we bring you market review, and today being Sunday, the 7th of July 2024, we are bringing you this trade for the week. AUDCHF. When the market opens, try and take it, and let's see how it goes for this week. Last week was very good. Let's see how this week will also go. If you want to contact me for any other stuff, please, I have given you my number. You can get in touch with me. If you wish to even call me, you can call, and then we talk and see the way forward for all of us. Thank you. I'll see you in the course of the week. Those of you who want to join my free Telegram channel, the link is also at the description of all my videos. If you contact me and you want me to send you the link, I will send it to you for you to join my free Telegram channel, where I also share signals. But the signals I share over there do not come often. If you want the channel or the group in which I share signals frequently, then you may have to join my VIP channel. My VIP channel comes with a subscription fee of $100 for 12 months. So when you subscribe, you enjoy free signals for 12 months. And those signals, I don't share them over here on YouTube, or I don't share them on the free channel. It's just that sometimes I share a few of them with you on the channel here and also on the free Telegram channel. But exclusively, they are all available in the VIP group. So that is what it is. If you want to join any of my services, get in touch with me and let's vibe. Let's see how we can help each other. All right. So that is it. My name is Kofi, your admin. See you in the course of this week. We pray for a good week. We pray for more pips. We pray for more profit. I'll see you at the end of this week, and then we'll begin to talk more and see the way forward.